Welcome to the part 3 of the Fiverr series. Making more money on Fiverr is simple, if you know how to get started and keep the momentum going. Are you afraid that the $5 idea would frighten you away? Once you prove yourself, you would quickly move to the next level and can start making more money per gig. Here are the 9 steps you should follow to increase your earning. 1. Do not suspend gigs. If you go on vacation, extend your delivery date. This gives you ample time to complete a gig after you return from your vacation. In this way you can collect orders while you are enjoying your vacation. Once you have thousands of ratings, you won't need to worry about that very much. When you first start, this is the best way to proceed. 2. Create exceptional gigs. Each and every gig needs to be unique with images, videos, descriptions, tags and titles. Give time and thought into each image, use every word carefully in the gig description. This is to put to optimal use of the available space. This would get people attracted towards your gigs. 3. Take deadlines seriously. When you set a deadline, stick to it. The best way to impress your clients is to deliver early. It will help you get better feedback. When you decide on delivery dates, choose wisely so that you can deliver early. 4. Under-promise and over-deliver. While you want to wow the people who would look at your gigs, describe each and every gig in such a way that you can provide something extra that will make them feel super special and well cared after. 5. Provide top-notch customer service. The only thing that can set you apart from other service providers for your exceptional customer service. If you can give them the kind of care that makes them feel special, you'll end up with higher ratings and repeat orders. 6. Pick the right services. When you first start on Fiverr, it can be intimidating to compete the work, since you know you would make only $5 per offering. Be sure that you choose services that enable you to deliver the work quickly. This would allow you to complete a high volume of gigs, earn more money, and move to the higher seller level quickly. 7. Respond to feedback. Whether the feedback you get a positive or negative, it is imperative to respond to every bit of feedback you receive. It would make you appear more available, concerned, and appreciative to those who are reading through the responses, while trying to decide if you are the right service provider for them. It would also help you to boost your community participation, which is a factor considered when you would be a contender for the top-level seller status. 8. Ask for feedback. If you aren't getting much feedback, make it a habit to ask for feedback upon delivery of your services. Remind buyers again later if they still did not leave feedback. Please be polite when asking for a feedback for your service. 9. Improve your skills. As you become more accustomed to working through Fiverr, always seek to improve your skills. This would help you to add more related gigs. Offering services on Fiverr can be a very lucrative opportunity for you. When used correctly, Fiverr can be an additional revenue stream or even your entire revenue earning system. It is up to you how to proceed, but if you do not get started, you'll never know how advantageous and profitable Fiverr can be for you. I wish you the very best to set up this earning from home opportunity. Thank you.